Anjaneyasana. It's a really energetic, beautiful pose that represents opening to grace, because it's very rooted, but then very lifted. And it's named after Hanuman's mother. and she was cursed and became a monkey, but handled it with elegance and dignity, and went on to produce Hanuman. We all know him. He leaps across oceans. So let's go ahead and break this pose down. I'm going to do that using blocks. If you wanted to, you could be on a blanket for your knees or some sort of cushion. And I recommend that you also just put the weight a little towards the front of the kneecap, not straight down on it. The blocks are here because they just help to step the foot forward. So that's pretty much all we're going to do with them, but it's nice to have them there because sometimes it's nice to take a side bend. So from here, we're going to let the tail come under, right, on this left side, and we're really pulling this right hip back. Starting with the hands in prayer position, we're going to start off by lifting the sternum, and try not to lunge forward just yet. So keep lifting the sternum. Keep doing that. Don't take the head back yet. Just keep doing that. And then we're going to add the arms a little bit. So we take the arms out to the side and just lift the sternum and start to notice we're circling the arms this way. We're not taking the head back yet. Just keep circling the arms. Keep reaching. Keep reaching. Now start to slowly bend the front knee. Keep reaching the arms. And when you feel like you've gone back as far as you can, then slowly start to take the head and breathe and breathe. And then inhale, rise up, coming into that prayer position, and just pause for a moment. And we'll come to the other side. So you could use your blocks here, come down, set up the left foot, make sure you're towards the front of the knee, hands together, and start off by keeping that tail under on that right side. Notice that, left butt back, prayer position. Just pause for a moment, lifting the sternum. Try not to lunge forward yet. Lift the sternum. Now we start to add the arms. Let them come down by the side and start to open here. Now you can gently start to lunge forward. Don't take the head all the way back yet. Just start to reach the arms. You can start to lunge forward. Reach the arms. Reach the arms. Take your arms as far as they will go, and then the head can gently start to come back. And breathe, inhaling, exhaling, and then inhale, rise up. Taking the hands to prayer position, slowly coming back to the knees. Anjaneyasana, open to grace. Enjoy.